Hello friends, now I want to demo to you on how to do the descriptive statistics for this dataset. Okay, as you can see I have done this one VWCA, so I now want to do the next parameter, which is TMPB. Remember the column is E. Alright, uh, first of all I need to click on this column, and then I go to the data, and then data analysis, and then go for this descriptive. Okay, and then because you have clicked this one, so it already here. Make sure there is the column and also the labels in the first row. This output range is where you want to place your data, so I have already clicked here, so this one, and then small statistics. Okay, then click OK. All right, now you can rename this one. I want to rename according to the parameter, which is this one. Let me just copy and paste. Make sure after you do something like in here, if you see this appear, the green and the red cross and right, do hit this one cancel, because so that you won't affect anything after this. Okay, and then you put there, paste. For me, I like to merge so that become more beautiful. Okay. Here you go. This is your descriptive statistics. Now, I want to show you on how to do histogram. Histogram, as you can see, actually, I have do it prior to this video because I want to conserve your time. But just quickly, I want to show you this one, the values. If you can see the values, the trend, it is from 1 up until 50, up until around 50. All right, so you need to sort the class width, like we like from 1 to 10, 10 to 20, like that. So I have sort like this, from 1 till 10, from 10 to 20, okay, 50 above. Okay, then I this one upper bin is the highest value of this one, so I put that 10, 20. So this means if I said this is 10, it is actually the values that the, the values that under 10 or below it. So like 20, 20 or below, like that. Okay, now I want to know the frequency, the measurement, uh, how many of the data uh, for falls under this having this value. How many? Yeah, how many of the data having this value specifically for this parameter? All right. So what I can do is now frequency, the data array. Okay, the data array. Uh, if you can remember, it is under column E, right? So I will put E here. E, from E2 to E1027. All right, and then click on this from here to here. All right, and then please remember, don't click the button return or enter, but instead you need to hit this button simultaneously, which is, if you are not MacBook, then you should hit what is that? You know, if MacBook, sorry, if MacBook, you need to click simultaneously Command Shift Enter. But for non-MacBook, it is, what do you do instead of comment? Uh, comment. Uh, if you're not MacBook, I don't know, but it is, I think control shift return if non MacBook, but if MacBook, command shift return at the same time. Okay, all right. So there is like 40, no values under 40. All right. Okay. So now you have the value. If you want to make sure that uh, all of the total number of the data here is 1026 like this. So try it. Right, 1026, the total number of data here. All right, now you want to do histogram. Before you do histogram, you must click this, highlight this column, and then go to insert, and then you go to this. Instead of this, I prefer here. Then this one 2D. Okay, as you can see, it is not as what you desire, right? The x value and this one. So what you can do is select the data, right click and then select data, right? Uh, y value, should be this one, all right? And then for x value should be this one. Mm, all right, yeah. Okay, let me uh, add in some edit. Let me edit here. Axis here, and then another. Okay, okay, the axis one. As you can see here, the 50 is one, and the above 50, I don't know how to classify. The one is almost like negligible, right? So then, so this one, I want to make this one bigger font. Mm, this one as well. All right, this one should be the frequency, right? Frequency, and then this one should be the name of the parameter. All right, here we go. This is our Instagram. This is our histogram, but not yet histogram. Uh, you need to adjust a little bit. So first you click here, and then right click, uh, format data series. All right, format data series. You make sure the gap width is 0% so that it is really close to each other. Okay, this is the histogram. All right, if you want to make it more beautiful, then go to the chart design. No, format. Go to this and then make it darker and then make it black. Yeah, more beautiful. I think the title should be this one. Oh, you do it the title by yourself, okay? All right. And then now I want to show you how to do the percentiles. Uh, the percentiles, now let me interpret a bit. Up to from 0% to 10%, this means that sorry, from above the uh, like this one is 10%, right? So 90%, 90% of it has this has this value or above this value. I mean, 90% of the data will have this value or higher than this value. That's okay. Okay, let me do the percentiles first. Let me copy this one. Do it here. And then this one, let me cancel. All right, for the cumulative frequency, what you should do is go to the function percentile. Click on this percentile, insert function. And then the array is, the array is your data, right? Okay, your data is, let me check it out. Yeah, should be like this. Okay, all right. Okay, let me do a percentile, and then because you're, like I said, you must remember your column. But for this case, you need to add dollar sign, E2, E, $2, okay, to dollar sign, E, dollar sign again, 1027. And then click on the the percentile, and then close the bracket. All right. So now you can drag so that you don't need to do again and again. Okay, here is your percentile now. All finished already. Okay, good luck.